This tutorial will show you how to make audio sound better in Adobe Premiere Pro CC online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, the first step is to how to make your audio sound better in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. I have a video clips and I have an audio piece that I would like to make sound better. You can right click on your audio piece or clip, and basically you can click audio gain above audio channel and below speed and duration. You can increase the decibels, and as you can see, it increased the wavelength of our audio piece. Or a better way to increase and make the audio sound 10 times better is to go up and to click effects. If you don't have this, click window, effects, and then to type in the following: bass. Under presets, under audio effects, click bass and drag it on your audio clip and type treble. Same thing under audio effects, click hold and drag, and then go into effects control while your audio piece is still highlighted and selected. And then under bass, you want to adjust the decibels to 5 decibels, and under treble, let's say 10 decibels. And this is what this sounds like. Bada bing, bada boom. Or should I say this is the before? Bada bing, bada boom. And this is the after. Bada bing, bada boom. If you notice that your audio is peaking as you're currently seeing, you can fix that by going to effects and type in hard space limiter, and under hard limiter, under audio effects, click hold and drag on your audio piece. Again, go to effects control and then click edit, and basically under the first option where it says maximum amplitude, click the circle icon and drag it to the left so it is decreases in decibels. So basically now your audio will not peak. Bada bing, bada boom. Completely for free.